Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to charge your JBL Live Beam 3 and also how to check the level of battery. So in order to do that, first of all, let's open up our JBL headphones applications, and here you can see the battery level of the left headphone, of the right headphone, and of the case. Now, in order to charge them, just use a simple power adapter from your phone. Usually a charging cable comes with the headphones, but also you can use cables from other devices. So, find a port for your USB-C cable, plug it in, plug the USB part to your computer, adapter, game console, TV, whatever. Anything that has your USB port. Also, these headphones do support wireless charging, so simply put the case on your wireless charger, and as you see here on the screen, the charging has started. A full charge will take something about 2 hours. When the indicator at the back of your case, here it is glowing. When it will stop glowing, it means your case is fully charged. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and have a great day.